share. Before I do, I just want to say I already filmed this like 3 weeks ago, and last night I'm only now going through my footage and realizing I'm stupid and I don't know how to work cameras, because this whole time, ever since London, all of my footage since then was filmed in slow-mo. And there's also no audio. So I am here filming again. We've had some major things going on in our life. We went to London, then right when we came back, we moved. So I'm currently at the new place right now. Right after that, I have some bigger news. We have a new roommate. He is a little younger. He also doesn't work. He kind of just does whatever he wants. He's crazy though. He's very crazy. Like, he really takes the energy out of all of us. But we do love him. He is a great addition to our family here. This is Winnie. This is Winston, aka Winnie. He's my little baby. He is now like 10 weeks old probably. When we first got him, he was so tiny. He's still so tiny. But we measured him and he was like probably like 11 inches long. He's just a little itty bitty baby. He's still so small, but he definitely has grown. Like, I can show comparison pictures from when we first got him to like now. There's definitely growth there. He is a Jack Russell. He's a Jack Russell Terrier. If you know me, you know that I once had a Jack Russell. He lived to 18 years, but he lived a very long life. Mickey was my first Jack Russell. Like, honestly, he was my soul dog. He was my heart dog. He was my life. Like, I had him since I was a child, since I was like 7 years old. And he was there for every moment of my life, through everything. This year, he unfortunately passed away. He drowned in the pool. He was blind, he was deaf, so it was already getting really hard, but unfortunately he did not pass in the best way. And one thing like so unique about him was that he had Mickey spots on his back, which is why we called him Mickey. He was very unique, very special. Last year, actually exactly a year ago, I officially moved out of my house, and Mickey obviously had to stay back home where he's lived his whole life because he was used to it. And at that point, he was blind and he was deaf. Like, he needed to be at his home. I was really sad to leave him because it was like a huge change. I kind of co-parented him. My mom would bring him over to my apartment and I would watch him for like the weekend. I still like tried my best to keep him in my life as much as I could. Ever since I moved out, I knew that I wanted a puppy eventually, but I didn't want to have one while Mickey was still around because Mickey was my baby. I could not care for any other dog except for him. And ever since he's been gone, it's been very sad and lonely. I was just casually looking around, looking for puppies. I knew that I wanted a Jack Russell because obviously I have such a love for them. They're very smart, they're very loving, they're crazy, but they are very loving. I was looking one day and I happened to come across these photos of Winnie, who was called Ash at the time, and I couldn't believe what I saw. They were Mickey spots. And ever since I saw that, I feel like I couldn't get him out of my mind. Like, I was like, I feel like it's meant to be. What are the odds I find Mickey spots just like Mickey's? I actually sat on it for like a month and I kept like looking back. It was probably like every day or every few days I was looking back to make sure he was still available, and like I just could not stop thinking about him. And the fact that I kept going back to him, I was like, I have to take him. I felt like Mickey like brought me to him or something. Or it's Mickey reincarnated. I don't know. I just know that Winnie was meant to be in my life. Truly the best thing that's ever happened to me. Fast forward, we went on our trip to London, and when we got back, we had to move, and the pickup date for Winnie was actually literally the weekend that we moved. I was not aware. I thought maybe I could wait like a week. So we really like got it all together when we moved in here. We moved in one day, the next day we settled, and then the day after we picked up Winnie. And we had to pick him up like an hour away. Here is the first day with Winnie. We're getting a puppy tonight! Doggy day! It's doggy day!
You're not getting attention.
Toys.
Oh. Take one of these sushi rolls.
Oh yeah? I'm in there.
Oh, okay. Crying, he's so cute! Oh. Oh my gosh, you're so cute! You're so cute! Here's little Winnie. Making a few stops with him so he can meet everybody. I don't have to check the location.
Yeah, we have like our outdoor couch, like in our living room right now.
Yeah, for the couch, we're looking nice and clean.
Yeah.
Hey. 100%.
Aww. He's so cute.
Poo.
Winnie.
Winnie the Pooh.
Lola.
Hey, Winston. Winston. I like Winston better.
Then Winnie?
Yeah.
Really? I like Winnie, but I like the E.
Winston.
Winnie.
You look like a Winston.
There he goes. Come on. Oh, there he goes.
Yeah, he's running.
Oh my gosh, you ran fast. Aww. Aww. Okay, say bye.
Okay.
Winnie's home. He doesn't know what to do.
Careful.
Seems like he likes that one. That one's Mickey's old toy.
Aww. Oh, stuffed animal.
I know. Ah. It's Auntie Serena.
The kisses. He's so cute. You're so small. Be careful.
Doesn't look real. Just like chill. But then my dad tells me his electricity bill. Okay. Yeah, I love you very much. Thank you. No, don't go under there.
Winnie's first meal. There you go. He's stepping. Really? Our first day together, he was a bit of a crazy. He was just getting used to things. I feel like we woke up like every hour the first night that we had him, which
which is understandable. Like, he just kept whining, you know, new place, new environment, getting used to it. Another crazy thing, like why I know he's just meant to be. So the first day that we got him, I had no idea. When we picked him up, I looked at his birthday. I had no idea his birthday is the same day as my best friend Emily, who passed away in 2022. His birthday is July 10th, 2024. That was also crazy. That was just another sign right there that I think Mickey and Emily both led me to Winnie. They knew that I needed him. It gives me comfort knowing that he has a connection to Mickey and Emily. That was about like 3 weeks ago at this point. I did film this originally, like I said. I can show some clips from that because I just have to. He was so small. Just look. He was literally a little toy. Now he's like a real little puppy. He's a real little puppy. That is my news. This is my new roommate. Mine and Dylan's new baby. Doing pretty good over here. He's learning lots of things. He's getting better about being in his crate. We are so excited for Winnie to join our family. He was definitely much needed. I feel like a home is empty without an animal. I needed Winnie. But yeah, this is Winston, aka Winnie. And let me show like the spots that he has. This is what they look like now. It's a little like deformed, but you can still see it. It's like sideways, like the ears and then that. Yeah, it's still there. I will definitely be sharing all of Winnie's life on here. It'd just be nice to have some videos and watch him grow. Oh, and he is a big teether right now. Crazy, insane, bites everything in his path. Everything. That's why I'm literally sitting here with a toy in his mouth, because otherwise he'll bite my fingers. So yeah, teething real bad, but other than that, he's a healthy little pup. He's a healthy little pup. I've also never had a puppy before, so I'm a first time mommy right here. I'm a first time mommy. Anyways, that is all for today. This is my little gift to Winnie. We love him so much. Enjoy this little montage of me and Winnie. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you're all excited to watch Winnie grow and experience this journey with me and him. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!
Oh my God, Winnie, watch out. Say bye. Oh my God.